They told you you can make $1 billion easily in 2026. They lie. Today, I'm not here to sell you hope. I'm here to expose the entire money matrix and every creator who scams you with fake billionaire dreams. Listen carefully. If someone tells you they'll teach you how to make $1 billion in 1 year, they are not smart. They are selling your attention, and attention is the real money. 1. The big lie. Let's destroy the fantasy first. $1 billion is not hustle money. It's not dropshipping money. It's not affiliate link money. And it's definitely not wake up at 5 a.m. money. Most creators shouting 1 billion have never even touched 1 million. They rent cars. They borrow lifestyles. They sell courses, not results. The truth is brutal but freeing. 2. Why they say 1 billion? Why do they say 1 billion? Because your brain stops thinking. Big numbers turn logic off. You don't ask how. You only ask, where do I sign up? That's the scam. They don't make money with you. They make money from you. Now listen, I won't tell you how to make $1 billion in 2026. I'll tell you something far more dangerous. I'll tell you how real money is actually made. The truth, the real game. Money is not created by motivation. Money is created by value plus scale plus time. In 2026, money flows to 3 types of people. People who solve painful problems. People who control attention. People who build systems, not shortcuts. Here's the honest path no one sells. First, learn 1 rare skill, not 10. 1. Editing, sales, coding, storytelling, AI automation, something that businesses already pay for. Second, use the internet as a weapon, not a distraction. YouTube, Instagram, X. These are not apps. They are distribution machines. Third, build trust before trying to build money. Scammers chase cash. Builders earn loyalty. Fourth, reinvest time, not just money. Real wealth compounds quietly, while fake gurus scream loudly. You don't become rich fast. You become rich right, then fast. Final expose. Hard truth. If someone promises you billions, ask them 1 question. Why are you selling this instead of doing it? Silence is the answer. This video isn't here to make you feel rich. It's here to make you dangerous with clarity. There is no money button. There is no secret method. There is only skill, patience, leverage, and truth. And the moment you stop chasing billion-dollar lies, you start building real power. This was not a motivation video. This was an exposure.